Okay, so for loyalty proofs, they are very easy, just like the subproofs. Loyalty proofs, you're going to go navigate to the Kick Chat, PromoFoxxe and TeiganFoxxe. When you get to the Kick Chat, you are going to click in the box here. You are going to enter the exclamation point there. That is the symbol for the command. When you do that, you're going to type in watch time, WATCHTIME, and you hit enter, and it automatically pops up for you. You're going to hit the exclamation point again, and you're going to type in followage, FOLLOWAGE, and you hit enter, and it's going to pop up for you. And the last one that you need is level, LEVEL, with the exclamation point at the beginning, of course, and it's going to pop up for you. That is your loyalty. All you're going to do is screenshot this, and you're able to now upload it in the verification channel.